Dallas, what do you think of the babies? Huh? They're little, huh? They like you. What do you think? They like you, Dallas. They're saying hello. Aww, Dallas. What are they doing? You can't go in there. Dallas. 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 What do you think? Jeff, look, she hopped in there. You're really nice. They're just babies, Dallas. Gotta check them all out. Okay, time for us to go upstairs. Their mama's coming in from going potty. She doesn't need a babysitter. Dallas, they like you. Okay, time to get out, Dallas. They're trying to get Baba. You don't have Babas.